All right, when we're using the bathroom, pretty simple, right? We have this shredded coconut husk. Just put the tiniest sprinkle, about this much, well, maybe closer to a handful, this much. You sprinkle that in a little bit before. Do the same thing after you're done with your business. Again, make sure that, you know, this separates solid and liquid waste. So just make sure, you know, when you're using the toilet, just make sure that liquid goes in the front, solids go in the back, and you'll be all set, and it really won't have any odor. There's a fan in there that helps dry it out, and the shredded coconut husk really works very effectively. The final step is we've got this natural lemon juice. It's just lemon juice spray in effect. So I just give that a quick spray, just like that, and that'll help keep it fresh. Again, we've got a fan that's helping to vent it out through, ends up venting out through the side as well. So that helps keep it clean and not stinky. And obviously, you know, keeping this door shut as well really helps with that. So, all right. So for the toilet, when we want to pop in a fresh one, you know, we already have that coconut husk and everything shredded up into one of these by this point. So we're loading it in, and it's just like putting a bag into a trash can. Emptying the pee jug, for lack of a better word. It's easy. You just grab this handle, you slide it right up, and then you can pour it into any rest stop toilet, any gray water spot, or waste dump site at an RV campground. Either of those, you can easily dump that out at. If the solids bag is starting to get too full, you know, right, you just pull this out around the edge, and then you can lift it straight up. Give it a shake or two, because again, you will have been adding a sprinkle of the shredded coconut husk disc each time, and you just tie it off, and then you can throw it away. Any dumpster, in with regular trash, it's safe to throw away that way.